On receiving a complaint, the District Administration of West Jhanta Hills directed the Executive Magistrate W.K. Karbuki, accompanied by DSP A.J. Sangma and Laskin BDO Binyang, and the police force carried out an inspection of the construction of the road at the border area at the ground level yesterday. On reaching the spot in Riyad Kin-O and Urim Biam along the border of Khatkaslapsiar village, Karbuki and his team observed the labourers with JCB engaged in the digging of soils, etc. for making way for the roads. It may be mentioned that the state of Assam once again encroached into the territory of Meghalaya by constructing a road from Umkhirmi, Assam to the border of West Jhanta Hills district along Khatkaslapsiar village. After the inspection, the Executive Magistrate W.K. Karbuki stopped the construction of the road and directed the labourers to resume only after getting clearance.
Kalong ba ngiyo ka report na BDO jeng kelaskan ba gadon ka jeng pentri kam kan ni kasurok ka bopoy siya do kasnong khatkasla te bangilayo jeng tip kumta te nakaliang district magistrate te ilapha nga kan executive magistrate benwan kan benwan pet ko de shisha na kumno na te tangala wan hi shani ya wan mchisngi ni wan chani te long ngilap kan bagadon ka jeng pentrekam kan ka surok sini te bangila ya wa jeng tip bahapat na kini nong tray te ngi yo jeng tip ba penyat ya kani batu kontraktor dayu pana po galiahi.
The Hinyao Trap Youth Council today demanded